Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So a couple of videos ago I did a Lego unboxing where I showed you that I bought myself the exclusive student set. So I've just finished making it, which I'll include in this video. However, I didn't introduce the video or the fact that I was making it because I decided to speed it up. So I basically didn't talk for the first half of the video. So here they are. This is what the student set consisted of. You have a bookshelf, Draco and an apple, Hannah Abbott with a lantern, Harry Potter with the Marauders map, and Cho Chang with a book. So these are super cute and I'm so glad I picked them up. So the rest of the video is going to be me making them. So I hope you will continue watching and enjoy. Okay, so that is the little bookshelf made. So you've got 3 little books in the little bookshelf. That's super cute. So now let's get on making, well, we've got Harry, Draco, Cho and Hannah Abbott. So let's get on, we'll make Harry first I think. So we need some legs. And the Gryffindor costume, uniform. There we go. So now let's find someone wearing glasses. I love the fact that they give you like Voldemort head. So you got Harry, oh you can't see, Harry with a frown or Harry smirking. So we'll have Harry with a frown. We need some hair. Harry's hair. There we go. And then he has the Marauders map in his hand, which is super cute because it's trying to find Draco. So there we go, we've got little Harry with the Marauders map trying to find Draco. Ooh, top heavy with that. There we go. Oh, no. There we go. See if that works now. There we go. Okay. So next we shall make Draco. So again, some legs. The Slytherin uniform. Oh. I presume this face is Draco. Everything else is rolling off. And some hair. And Draco has an apple. So there we go. Here's Draco with the apple. There we go. So let's make Cho. So there's Cho. I just need to make her book now. There we go. So that's her book. So let's see if she can hold it. There we go. And just Hannah Abbott to make now. There we go. So that's all four of them. And then Hannah Abbott just has a lantern. And part of the, oh, there it is. I was going to say part of my lanterns disappeared. So that one goes in there. And there we go. There we go. They all have little wands as well, but I thought I would just do them without the wands for now. So you've got the bookshelf for Ravenclaw. You've got Harry with the Marauders map. Oh, he's very top heavy. You have got Draco with the apple. Cho with a book. And now she's top heavy. Stand up. And we have Hannah Abbott. So awesome. Yes, there we go. That's the student set. So thank you very much for watching me unbox and make these. I really enjoyed it. So these can now go with the other two Lego minifigures that I got when I did the opening the mystery bags. So I got Harry with the potions book, And I also got Luna with the lion heads. Awesome. So yes, these will all go together on my bookshelf now. But thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do lots of Harry Potter and Disney related content. I'll also leave my Instagram handle down below. Come and follow me over there. I do lots of Harry Potter and Disney posts. But I hope you're having a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.